from the command center of the jwsolarusa Minnesota. Guys, part 3 of the video, lithium ion batteries, Volkswagen e-Golf solar batteries. So guys, started the live stream unboxing, so this will be part 3 of it. And if you haven't seen the other one, make sure you watch those videos first before coming here. You're left in the cold. And I got 2, and there's another one here, and another one's on the way. Here are the bus bars, well wrapped. Recommend and thank the vendor so much. And here's the other one, all here, and this is how they end up being. Never seen them before. So let's set them here. You guys can see they can handle up to about 300 volt. These are the interconnect bus bars. So I'll show you how this thing really works. So this is how the batteries set up. This is going to be one module here, and this is the bottom of it. So we have the positive and the negative. If I can able to work this one. So here is the negative, and here is the positive. So the way these bus bars or interconnect are being utilized, see, they flush just like that in this system. So you go like this, vertical, connecting to the other battery, which is really, really cool. You just screw it all the way from here with the, I think it's a T13 or 223, whatever, security key. And I'll show you how it is, or how it's supposed to work. So this is the positive, okay? And that's a negative right here. We're going to flip this battery over. And so these are the modules, or the cells here. And now what I'm going to do, you got to take this other battery, since remember we had a positive underneath there and a negative on the other side. Take this battery, since it's a negative here, we set it up here. All right, so now this is the interconnect, how it works. The terminals are perpendicular to the other one here, or parallel to each other. So when you flip it, you can have the positive, negative. So you have to flip the cells like this. So you can use a threaded rod, gets in here, that this one comes to play. So if you take this interconnect, you can just set it this way. Voila, look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Simple connection. So this, you can screw all this. So remember on my other video when I used the number 2 gauge wire, 2 AWG. So this is the connection. I never had them before. So, and he sent me some of these. So he said they come with different, some of them like 90 degree angle. And look at that, beautiful. So I can do thread rod and continue with the interconnect if you're going on a series. So we just have to go back on the other way around here and do the same thing as well for series configuration. See, so now right now the way it's connected, it's already become like in a 24 volt module. So we just a matter of interconnecting them, so we keep increasing the height and all the way to the other. So guys, this is what it is. Let me show you how I have done it on my own local way instead of the Japanese way, because it's made in Japan, these batteries. If you look at the sign or the sticker, it's going to tell you right there, made in Japan. Well, these are my batteries. They never have any rust on them, although they are 2013, and those are mentioned in they took them out on the 2015 vehicle. I think that's what it is. And the batteries were made 2014 on the ones I just received. So this is what is a 1068 watt hours. All right. Nominal capacity is just about 25, but it's a 75 amp hours. So this is how I've done it. So that interconnect that's supposed to be coming here, I use a number 2 gauge wire and all the way down. So I'm going to build the same replica. I'm going to do a replica of this tower. So it's going to be 8 modules again. There's going to be like a twin tower. Okay. I'm going to call it the jwsolarusa Twin Towers Power Wall. That's a twin towers right there. Twin Towers Power Wall. Remembering 9/11. So maybe I can name it that way. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, these are the rest of the batteries here, and more on the way coming. So I decided just to unbox this and trying to show you how the batteries look like. These are the interconnect. I never had this one before. This is how they look like. I just made an illustration on that. Look at this huge heat sink. Interesting. Kind of a little rust on here. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's from the main pack or where maybe it was stored. I don't know. I'll probably send the vendor a message to see what happened here, if they're not involved into any flood or anything. And we can able to take this cover out and see how the configuration is for the BMS or the board that is already embedded into this. The heat sink is just a massive, and you know, looking at the cells from the bottom here, it looks just beautiful. So according to the specs, they said it's a Panasonic cells they have here. So they're Panasonics. So guys, if you're just curious, and these are all the cells, and you can see the specification, or you can see the make, and the original was made in Japan. So nominal capacity is 75 amp hours. See that? Yeah. For some reason, the other ones there, I think, I don't know if I say it's 25 or something, but it's a nominal and nominal capacity, and it's a 75 amp hour Volkswagen e-Golf. These are the modules here. Yeah, 2013. The first ones, these are 2014s. So they're all 2014, 26, the 4th month, 2014. It says that's the 26th. Okay, interesting. This is the 26th. Let's see. Hope you can see this. This one says the 25th, the 4th month, 2014. And this one says the 13th, the 4th month. 13, the 4th month. So just days apart. Okay, let's see this one. That makes me curious now. This is the 28th. So this one and this first one here, they're all on the 20. This is the 25th. And this is the 13th. It might be to open up a different batteries there. This is the 28th. So 2 modules. 28 the 4th month, 28 the 4th month, 25th the 4th month. Okay, and here's the 13th the 4th month. They're all 2014s, but these two had the same date. These two here has the same date, the 28th, the 4th month. And This one here is a 13. And this one here is a 25th. Interesting. Maybe he probably picked them up from all the different batteries there, whatever he had. But I have to talk to him and see if these ones are involved into any water. That would be the little bit scary part of it, if there was water or flood. Yeah, well, it's like from a maybe moisture. Maybe that would be moisture condensation just happened here. Maybe from the car was kind of a little bit leaking. I don't know. So it seems like it grabs those O2, O2S, 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 O2S. Maybe grab them from different modules there. So for some reason, I don't know. Well, I'll send you a message if they're really safe, and because you don't want to be connecting these, and though they're gonna be saying they are not responsible for, you know, they have a disclaimer thing. They're not responsible for if they caught on fire or anything happened to them, or you do something crazy or stupid. You don't do wiser. You don't take a wise precaution. So it's on you or us, the buyer. So you gotta be careful. So guys, this is what it is. Like and subscribe. Oh, these are the modules. This is how they look like from the back. And this is how they look like from the top, standing. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Next video we're gonna be testing voltages, and from there I'm gonna open up the top cover so you can see the board, the way everything is wired. For those of you that are curious, like using BMSs into this kind of batteries or any batteries, because you're a BMS guy, and I'll show you how it's wired. Maybe that will help you with future thinking. If you want to buy this battery, what you're gonna be expecting, and all your questions gonna be answered here on this channel, jwsolarusa. I'll go over and beyond to get you all what you're looking for, and look at a massive heat sink to cool them. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. Stay tuned with testing voltage. All right, guys, stack them up. So this is how they're gonna go. 4 more coming in, gonna be setting up the other stack on top of each other, and have all the positives facing the same direction like I wired the other one. So this one's 75 times 4. So check it out. 2 of them is 150, 150. So it's 300 amp hours standing right here. 300 amp hours. 4 in parallel, and series them for 24 volt. So they're all going to be balanced. And the next video, I'm going to be giving you the latest on the voltages, what the voltages are, and I'm going to be opening up this top cover so you guys can see the internal part of it, how these batteries are welded, because they kind of welded. It's not like bolt, welded together, and we can go from there. Look at that. So I just have to put a thread rod all the way down, thread rod all the way 4 corners, and stacking it all the way. It's gonna be the same height like the other one. I don't know if it's a 4 foot approximately. Let's go check it out. All right, this is the one in the solar room or the power room. So let's put the tape right here. Sorry, there's a magnet on it, so the tape. So this is the height. Sorry, magnet is interrupting. I want to get the real height. Okay, there you go. Let's see all the way to the 10 there. So it's 33 to here. If we take it all the way up to the top, so it's about, on the tender, it's about 2 foot 10 inches. Okay, it's 2 foot right there. So they're gonna be like twin towers. So got a lithium ion battery, twin towers, power wall. So they're gonna be something like that. All right, that's how they're gonna look like. They're gonna be standing here side by side, and they're gonna do their own thing. All right, thanks for watching. Just want to show you step by step how you can go about all this. Like and subscribe.